Alright, continuing on, I just finished the warm-up challenges, so we can move on to the arrays and see what they have in store for us. How to access and use 2D arrays. What? Oh, I see. Hourglass and A is a subset of values with indices following its pattern. In ARR's graphical representation, 16 hourglass is an ARR. And this one? Or just this? Oh, I see. It's just 3, 1, 3. There's 16. An hourglass sum is the sum of an hourglass's values. Calculate the hourglass sum for every hourglass in ARR, then print the maximum hourglass sum. The array will always be 6 by 6. Huh. 16 hourglass sums are as follows. Okay. Interesting. The highest hourglass sum is 28 from the hourglass beginning. Row 1, column 2. This one? 866. Yeah, okay. Note, if you have already solved the Java domains Java 2D array challenge, you may wish to skip this challenge. I have not. Complete the function hourglass sum in the editor below. Hourglass sum is the following parameters. Has the array. We want the maximum hourglass sum. Each of the 6 lines of inputs contains 6 base separated integers. Okay. The largest maximum hourglass sum found in ARR. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah, so it's these 3 as the top, then these 3 as the top, and these 3 as the top, and these 3 as the top. So I think, and then you'd go, well, okay, 3, 3, 3, and then you would go up 1, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. So I think the key here is just to know when to stop. And it kind of, knowing that it's always going to be a 6 by 6 makes it a little bit easier to think about at least. But yeah, so pretty much we need hourglasses that start at index here, go to this one, and then go up to here. So we pretty much need hourglasses that start at in these 4 and these 4, right? So anything that starts with its bottom left index in this square or rectangle, I guess it's square, it's 4 by 4, that's what we want to calculate the sum of. So that shouldn't be wildly difficult. We'll do hourglass sum. Let's see, I'm trying to think of just how to split this up into functions. We can have a starting index, like a bottom left index. That'll be what we can pass into a function, and then that function can determine the hourglass and spit out the numbers for us and actually sum it. So calculate hourglass sum. Yeah, single hourglass. Oops, returns sum of a single hourglass. We're going to pass it in the array, and then we're going to pass it in, I guess, a tuple, or we can just do xy as the starting coordinates. are coordinates of bottom left hourglass. So if we have that, then we would do let's see. Nah, we'll just do it on here. So if I had a single hourglass, well, we could just be, yeah, I'm trying to determine how, like, quote unquote dynamic this is going to be, or how just dumb I'm going to make it, because you could very easily just hard code it. Since we know it's always a 6x6, you just hard code in all of these coordinates, and that would be pretty easy. But I think I'm going to try, yeah, I think I'm going to, I'll make it look a little smarter and then explain why I'm doing it, because well, I'll just go ahead and explain it now. If you were just passed it, so okay, you have what? Let's see. Yeah, whatever. That doesn't matter. If you were passed in just like an H and a W, just a, I guess if the array could be of any length, what you would need to do is, instead of just finding this 4x4 square, it would be a rectangle that is the height -2 and the length -2, and that those are the, within those coordinates are where you need to look for your hourglass bottom left indices. And that's, yeah, that's really all it would be. And then after that, the rest of this should be pretty easy to figure out. So for I and I think this is how you do it. 6 for j in range. Oh, whoops, this should be 4. So instead of this 4 and 4, you could, so we could do width is equal to 6 or height is equal to 6. Hourglass. I don't really know how to name those, but more or less you would do r width -2. I'll just leave this. I'll just use this. I mean, we know what it's going to be every time, but makes it look a little cooler. And for all those, we are going to get hourglass sum is equal to 0. I don't really know what to name this. Oh, what am I doing? Let's do a JavaScript convention there for a second. I want to find the next hourglass's sum. I don't really know how to name this variable. Next hourglass sum is equal to, oh, this is, wait, why did they name it? Whatever. I don't care. I and j. So yeah, the x would be one way. I guess we can do 2D arrays pretty easily in this. So and then the sum would be added onto that guy. So that's what that would look like. We need to find all our fine. So we need, I'm just going to do this, and then I'm trying to think if there's a more elegant way to do this, or you can, I mean, it's also, unfortunately, pretty easy to just brute force this. X, Y. So then we do X plus 1, X plus 2. Right, so that would get us, this would be the bottom left. This would be 1 to the right of bottom left, 2 to the right of bottom left. This would be, oops, the middle. And then oh no, what am I doing? This is 2. This would be the top row. And we need to sum all of those. Sum, why is this blue? Is it protected? I don't like that these names are all the same, but I think that would work. And we need to return our class sum. I don't know. See if that worked. Ooh, not at all. My. Oh, is that far off? 99? How did I get 99? My. Maybe it has something to do with this. Had all these, right? So I'm gonna just print. This is kind of one of the reasons why I had this split up. I'm going to print these, run this, and then I should be able to compare what's happening. So I had 532. So right off the bat, that doesn't look correct. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm trying to find the maximum sum. Ah, I thought I was supposed to sum them all up. Well, that would be why. This is a math. I'm gonna hope that that works. I don't know if that's the right syntax or anything. Yeah, I didn't think so. It's not push. What is it? Append? Ah. Math doesn't have a max. You just max? Oh, it just is. Oops. 13. Okay, I saw the second to last one is 13, which would have been that one, I think. Which one is it? At the bottom on the third. It's that one. Okay. Let's also print I and J. Oops, did I do that wrong? These? Is it like JavaScript? I had 13 is 3, 2, so does it start from the bottom? What? Because my 0, 0 was 5, which, I calculated this incorrectly. Oh, did I? I might have calculated this incorrectly. Submission. Oh, I didn't know there were leaderboards. Submissions. Oh, those are my submissions. We'll have I, J, and then I'm going to just get this. I want to know what IJ is, because I don't think I'm looking at this correctly. IJ is, so 111, so yeah, I don't think I'm doing this. It's from the top, so 111. And then 000, 001. What? Zero, okay. Zeros up to 3. Oh yeah, that's right. So that one makes correct sense. And then 0101. Is that right? 0100. Oops, that's what I meant to say. Okay, so I'm just looking at it incorrectly. We're starting from up here and we're going down. So still the same principles, but I'm not doing it correctly because instead of, yeah. So my X's should be correct as it goes out that way, but my Y's need to wait. No, I think it still works, right? It's just going down instead. So this guy be my second to last. And I get 13 instead of, so it starts at, so it's 3, 2, and it starts at 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Starts at 2, and I get 2, 4, 4. Yeah, I mean, it's got to be 19, but they wouldn't lie about that. But I don't know why I'm not getting that. We have the original, and then this should be 4, 4. This should be 2, That should be 1. That should be 2. And that should be 4. Well, there is one way I could do this. This is not going to be pretty. But it should give me my answer as to what's happening. Okay. Oh, well that's why. This needs to be, X needs to increment here, and then, wait, no, that's right. That's right. Is it? It obviously isn't right. But hopefully this will help me out just a little. Oops. Did I mention I make a lot of dumb mistakes? Okay, so we start off with what? 1, 0, 1. Am I going down? I am. Yeah, that's why. And then X needs to be iterated through, so this would be X. This is Y. This is X, and that's Y. Yeah. What? I guess technically that wouldn't really matter. Right? What? I'm just throwing myself for a loop now. Is it Y and then X? Maybe I'm flipping these around. Holy smokes, what am I doing? This is, I don't know why this is so bizarrely confusing to me. This should be the first, and this should be the second. Let's do that. What? Why isn't it? Oh. Well, I'm just really off my rocker right now. This is probably going to be the last one I do tonight. Alright, so we start off with what? That's 1 and that's 2. 1, 2. Okay. So the first index is the Y. And that's okay. So I need to change all of these around. So it's Y needs to stay constant and X needs to change. Okay. I'm pretty sure that my letters were correct. They were just in the wrong order. At least I'm hoping that's what that was. I hope that's what it was. There we go. Okay. It's vertical, then horizontal. I don't know why that took me so long to figure out. Because that should have been pretty apparent from the start. But lessons learned. And all the test cases passed. And I got a 2nd star. Shouldn't have exited out of that confetti so fast. Well, there we go. There's 2D array -DS. I'm not sure what that stands for. Could have named it hourglass or something. Either way, there it is. Thanks for watching.